laptop identification, RFID can be used for a wide range of applications. We have different form factors of tags available. Based on the application and the type of asset that needs to be tagged, the form factor differs. This is a windscreen tag that is used to tag vehicles. As a vehicle enters the campus, the particular tag ID is identified and the boom barrier opens. Similarly, based on different applications, we have different form factors. These are metal-on tags that are used for containers or heavy metals. Tags that are used for jewelry applications. RFID labels that can be stuck on to file and documents or can also be used for library applications. RFID can be used for a wide range of applications like vehicle identification, container management, jewelry management, asset identification, laptops. Organizations face a major problem of missing assets and also in inventory process. RFID provides a speedier inventory process. This is a handheld terminal. It's a mobile device. This has an RFID reader as well as a barcode. During inventory, the person needs to take the particular handheld reader and scan all the tags. In a fraction of a second, the complete inventory is completed. Similarly, RFID readers also come in different forms. This is an stationary reader with external antennas. We can connect 16 antennas to this reader. This is an antenna which is connected to this reader. This is a 4-port RFID reader. Similar antennas can be connected. In applications where authentication is required, this is an RFID enabled certificate. The certificate has an RFID tag embedded in it. This can be used for educational institutions and all government agencies. Can be used for mark sheets, hall tickets, driving license, passports, as well as for all applications. The RFID tag will be embedded into the item. RFID system provides a greater visibility of assets in any organization. It avoids the purchase of assets that are already available. It avoids the misplacement and missing of assets. In case an asset is missing in an organization, using the handheld scanner, they can scan all the items and the particular asset is identified. This is an RFID tag that can be used on for tagging assets in a retail application. Tags that can be mounted on to cylindrical assets. RFID tags for pipes. Metal-on tags that can be mounted on to the vehicles. Tags that can be put on to for a jewelry application. These are tags that can be used for heavy vehicles or for containers. For applications, for outdoor applications like container management, vehicle identification, we have rug tags that are available. The tags are affixed onto the container or the vehicle that needs to be identified. Tamper-proof tags are also available that does not function once it is removed. Thus, RFID provides a greater visibility and improves the life cycle of the process. We now demonstrate the working of an RFID vehicle identification system. Every vehicle is tagged with an RFID tag and the details related to the vehicle is associated with the tag ID. As a vehicle passes by an RFID reader that is placed at the entrance of the vehicle, the particular tag is identified and the vehicle is gained access into the campus. This is an RFID vehicle tag. This is a windshield tag that can be affixed on to the windshield of the vehicle. We also have mount-on metal tags that are available that can be fixed on to the metallic surfaces of the vehicle. Windshield RFID tag is pasted on to the windshield of the vehicle. All details related to the tag is associated with the tag ID. As a vehicle enters the campus, the readers placed at the entrance reads the particular. Now we will see the working of the system. As the vehicle moves out of the gate, the movement time of the vehicle is registered. Similarly, for different exit and entry points, we can have RFID readers placed. The movement time the vehicle has passed through a particular gate can be registered. RFID readers can also be integrated with boom barriers. When registered vehicles are identified, the boom barrier opens, thus allowing access to the vehicle. Thus, RFID provides a greater visibility of assets in any organization, either it be the corporate segment, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, logistics, manufacturing or any industry. RFID has suitable solutions to all present problems.
Thank you for watching and hope our solutions will be useful to you, and we look forward to working with you.